Okay, first of all, uh, good morning everyone. My name is Dabbu Singh and I'm pursuing my 12th from SOC, and today I'm giving the podcast in English Mania classes. Then you can ask me anything, I will reply.
Okay, how's your school life?
I'm also pursuing the school life, but at this time I'm pursuing as a private from 9 to 12th. And if I talk about from 9 before ninth class, it was amazing, and I also miss the old my friends and teachers also. And if I talk about my best school ever, then I will talk about SMT Santi Devi nearby my village.
Santi Devi, okay, where?
Nearby my village in the city.
Where is your place?
I belong to village that was the name Jeswa nearby Mart.
Okay, so please tell me about your village.
विलेज नहीं विलेज
Village.
और सब गलत बोल रहे हो तो विलेज
If I talk about my village,
विलेज
if I talk about my village, uh,
हाँ सही करो विलेज
if I talk about my village,
हाँ ऐसे बोलते हैं
Good.
uh, the atmosphere of my village is very well, and I also like the my village because of the nature and the atmosphere and the people in my village. The behavior of people are very good, and I connected with the nature,
Okay.
and that's all about my village.
How your place like be seen movies? Your village is developed or not?
Not much developed, but it is developing.
Okay, it is developing. How?
Yeah. Because if I talk about the last 10 years, there was a number of shops and any facility. But if I talk about now, there is a lot of shop and market also, and you can say that there is a sir sabji mandi,
Okay.
what do we say,
वेजिटेबल मार्केट
vegetable market also.
Who is MLA of Mart?
I thought I think
Shyam Sundar Sharma.
no,
ही यूज्ड टू बी नाउ
he used to be.
Now?
I forget the name.
लास्ट इट वाज जयन सॉरी बट क्वेश्चन इज चलो छोड़ो अगला क्वेश्चन कर लो
Rajesh Chaudhary.
राजेश
yeah.
राजेश
Okay. He
You
is
are
doing something for your village or not?
I think he recently doing nothing for our place, but in a little bit work of like that solar panels or Solar light.
Okay, you have built solar systems.
yeah.
Okay, so what's your aim?
I want to crack NDA and being a officer in army and navy, but my main focus is to be a pilot in air force.
You are doing NCC.
No,
Okay, if you want to crack NDA exam, so you should do, I think.
no, there is no need to do NCC to crack the NDA, but if you do the NCC you will get the, I can say, discount. And
Not discount, I think direct intro is there, no exam is there. Of C certificate of NCC.
no, I don't think about
No.
that.
After completing graduation, NCC, what are only 12 pass. Okay, so why did you choose only NDA?
Because when I was in 8th class and 6th class, I don't know think about that what should we do, and what kind of area I have to go. But my father belongs to the army field. That time I thought that I should have to go for army, and my father suggested me to suggested me to that okay, you have to join, you have to go for NDA, and I that time I thought I have to do NDA, and I never thought about
Okay, only
any other field.
NDA is there to become army officer.
No, there was so many kind of area, but I like the NDA
Okay, so what is the criteria to be an officer in NDA?
because I want to serve my life for our country as a officer and doing
And-
something,
And
doing
my question is this: what is the criteria to be an NDA officer?
what
What is
kind.
the criteria of like after giving
How
NDA
can
exam,
we become?
lieutenant, becoming lieutenant or captain? So what is the criteria of that?
Uh, I don't know think about all that, but I can say that I want to serve for country as a officer and give the g-
Like our question is like how to become lieutenant.
okay.
How to become?
How to become lieutenant?
First of all, you have to complete your 12th,
Yes.
something like 68%, and you can go for the test after 6.5 year old.
After completing 12th.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so as you know, NDA exam is very hard and big also. So what is-
NDA exam is not as much not much hard, but the interview of NDA is hard because there is a 5 days interview, and you can say SSB.
So do you know what is the rule of 5-day interview?
Because there are a lot of student and you have to go for interview, and they just if you clear the first interview, then you will go for the second one, and if you pass all of them, then you can go for um, your call letter is
Okay, so what do they check in interview time?
they check your conversation skill, and what do you think about if you in trouble, and they ask the normally question, but they ask the most of the time about the other country, and because you are serving for your country as a soldier, then as an officer, then what kind of quality do you have?
Okay, so do you know about yourself? Means do you have this type of qualities?
What?
Do you have
For being a
qualities
captain.
like to become like to crack a NDA or to become a captain?
You thought of you asked for, about the subject and
I am asking
study.
about your
Are
qualities.
you asking? Are you?
Are you asking about the study
No, we are asking about your qualities.
qualities?
Study.
If I talk about the qualities, then you have to control the situation at any time, and because you have to take the decision within a second, because thought that the war will go for other country, and you will take a decision within a second, and that was the big decision that you have taken. So thinking power is also good,
Should be.
should be good.
Okay. Like if you become a captain, if you become captain, think you are a captain. So you are in war. You are in war.
War.
You are in war.
War.
Like you have to fight with your enemy. Your enemy is in your leg. So you will bullet him or not?
So if your enemy knees down,
Yes.
then your leg नहीं कहते. If your enemy knees down,
Knees down.
I'm not thinking about all that because I am pursuing my 12th, and after that I will thought about all
If you
that.
want to become army officer, you have to think.
Yeah, I have to think, but it's time to pursue my 12th and focus on study, because if I not study, then how can I go for the NDA exam?
No. If you are having aim, so you aim should
It
be
is,
very
it is
focused.
also the part of training, because
so the other question is, it is not that going to be tough interview. or first? So first interview is there.
So, consuming of alcohol is good or bad according to you?
It's obviously bad.
Okay, why it's bad?
I've never tried all that, but
Then how could
I-
you
Why
say?
you are saying bad?
I saw that the people, when people consuming the drinks, and they just walking around here and there and abusing any people without no reason, and fighting with the family members, and they do the many kind of activities, bad activities, so
Mischievous
mischievous
Okay,
activities. So
If it is bad, so why army provide alcohol to soldiers?
because the soldier of army have to
have to live
and
in cold areas.
cold areas, and if you consuming little bit alcohol, then it is also good for health at that time, at the winter season and the rainy season, because it warm up your body.
It keeps your body warm.
Warm.
Excess of anything is bad, but you say that alcohol is consuming is bad. If it is consumed in limit, so it is good.
If you consume anything in limit, it will be better for you. But if you over if you
Out of-
if you cross the limit,
If you exceed the limit,
if you exceed the limit, it will be the dangerous for you.
Okay, now again your question after thinking, after asking, listening you, that alcohol is good or bad?
I say that if you consuming the liquor in little bit amount, then it is good for us, but not all time. It depend on situation. Then you are in army, then you have to consume the liquor. It is necessary to you. But what kind of
Okay.